Let's vacuum the sides, and then we'll pull the carpet. So I'll lift the...
Do you want to get that pump out, maybe? That would be much...
It's not going to come out.
Why? Just cut a couple wires in.
Well, I don't want to cut wires.
Why?
Because we're just going to kind of leave it as is for right now. And then... Let's split it. Right here. Alright.
Oh, can you rip out this bad stuff?
Just put that down.
I'm getting excited.
I know you're getting excited. I can tell. Okay. Easy.
I understand. Oh, that seems to be like a water resistant. Yeah. Is that insulation?
Yeah, I think it's foam. Okay, so we're on day 3 of our project here, and we didn't work a whole lot yesterday, but I am going to cut the section of floor out back here. This seems pretty soft, so I'm gonna figure out kind of a round number. If I do 4, that could be a sheet of whatever. So maybe we'll do that 4 feet.
Where do you want to cut again?
4. Okay. Do I have a chalk line?
Oh, we have chalk. Oh, a chalk line?
Yeah, chalk would work too, though.
I think we have a chalk line.
So
oh, I see a
line
giant hole right here.
Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna go. Just hold it
up against the wall.
No, it doesn't. I gotta snap this, so just hold it right there. No, put your finger on the chalk.
Okay.
Yep, right there.
Already we're making a little tree.
Go like this. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh, perfect.
Okay.
And then we just cut this whole square out?
Yeah.
I wish I could help.
Well, you can, but...
Well, I can't help because I don't have a M95. I broke one.
Gotcha.
Cause, do you know what's weird? I was putting on the head strap, and for some reason...
It snapped?
Yeah, like I had put too much pressure on, even though I had barely. YouTubers using GoPros often have corrupted data a lot.
Do they?
Yeah, they say
Like-
say that what in
They lost data. Or,
No, they said this part got the part that I showed you was corrupted.
Okay.
where do I put screws? Right here?
Yeah, put them in a pile, and then I got the bag right here.
These are actually pretty easy.
Yeah, it just takes like 5 minutes or like cup 2 to get them unscrewed,
Mm-hmm.
or like a minute.
Oh dear, Dad. We hit the jackpot. That's where they've been living.
Yeah, where did all this come from?
That white? The old farm?
Mm-hmm.
What happened to the mice after? How did we kick these guys out? Or did they leave by themselves?
I don't know. We're gonna have to vacuum that out.
Let's hope
Let's
not.
do this. The carpet is